Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Sir Dalia and First Officer Guzman, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific. Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 10 minutes ahead of our schedule. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to inform you that due to operational requirements, this flight will need to park at an international bay. Guests, however, will need to disembark using the stairs and board buses that will transfer you to the domestic arrival hall. Thank you for your kind understanding.